drawn. But my colleagues know me as Professor Calixte, but my students know me as Professor C. Hey, just in my thoughts here. But it's actually kind of good because it leads us to our topic of discussion today, which is the mind. What is the mind? What's going on in the cranium magnus that we have up there? Who knows? But we're going to find out. So sit back, relax, and delve into the topic of psychology with Professor C. Psychology. Well, the general consensus will agree that the mind and behavior deals with the study of psychology. The word actually dates back to Greek times, with psyche dealing with the breath and logia dealing with study of. Now, for ages, the conscious mind questioned itself and how it works up there. And if you're part of the dominant species known as the Homo sapiens, pause, you know that you have a brain just lingering up on top of your cranium. Well, let me correct myself. Not all of us may use it up there, but we know that we got something up there. But it brings me to question, how do we know how the brain works? No, more specifically, does the brain ever rest? At first glance, the amount of constant electrical interaction may seem a bit chaotic, but in actuality, our cerebral cortex has a pretty organized system. In neuroscience, the default mode network is a large-scale brain network of interacting brain regions known to have activity highly correlated with each other and are distinct from other networks in the brain. This gives us an idea of how memory patterns are stored and exchanged throughout the brain. We have primary regions known as the medial prefrontal cortex, medial temporal lobe, the cortical association, which are a part of a vast intricate network of interchanging actions and information that is categorized and stored to be potentially used in the future. It makes sense. It makes sense. Actually, no, it doesn't make sense. Although throughout the years we've unraveled so many different important information and discoveries, we're still realizing that the brain is more complex than we understand it to be. What we believe to be the rules that govern it are actually complicated interactions that we're still trying to understand. We know that the brain is composed of two primary lobes, and within it are constant electromagnetic neurons that are exchanging information, but we still can't narrow it down to what's going on. Let's dig deep. Dendrites are the tree-like branch extensions that receive the majority of their information through their receptors. In order for the neurons to become active, they must receive action potentials or other stimuli. These are known as the neurotransmitters. The cell body, or the soma, receives these signals in the nucleus and distributes it accordingly. An ongoing process that seems continuous, whether we think about it or not, even during our resting period. Nerve fibers known as axons are long, slender projections of a nerve cell or neuron that typically conducts electrical impulses known as action potentials. The function of the axon is to transmit information to different neurons, muscles, and glands throughout the body. I see. Sort of like a computer, eh? You have your software and your hardware system. Now, we did cover a lot today in the topic in the field of psychology, but most importantly, I hope I got you to think. Till next time, Psychology with Professor C.